I left my job, and after that when I started preparing, anyone who will follow the teachers, whatever they say, I think they will succeed. They put so much effort, really, sir. Otherwise, I was not that much prepared for the exam, and I don't had that motivation after so many attempts that I should go and I'll get the score. But this time, I get it.
6 attempts before coming to us, and then finally you have smashed it with 88 in writing. I'm looking at your scores. This is such an amazing job, not only in writing but reading 88. Last time we missed in reading and this time you nailed it. What changed? How did you get after 6 attempts 8 each?
I think, sir, all the credit goes to you and your staff. The motivation you gave me, I think that's what I needed.
Right. I think sometimes you just need that guidance, that push. But see, I want to discuss more about your experience in the lab and the classes.
So it was amazing. I think if anyone, not me, just anyone who will follow the teachers, whatever they say, I think they will succeed.
Right.
Yeah.
So you
the
think
push,
that
the motivation they gave, yeah. And they are preparing with them. Like it's their exam, not my exam. They put so much effort, really, sir. Otherwise, I was not that much prepared for the exam. And I don't had that motivation after so many attempts that I should go and I'll get the score. But this time, I get it.
And I was so happy to see such a good score. लगता था कि reading में 88 आएगा.
Not really, sir. Not after the last attempt. The attempt which I gave before this one.
Yes.
I thought that, no, it's not possible. But when you gave me tasks, that time I was like 50-50 each. And then, but I did it.
Right.
My focus was that whatever you guys will say, I have to follow that blindly.
Right. And it had worked.
And that worked. And that really worked. It was a magic.
This is the time to celebrate because you have done so much hard work before this, right? Now, if I talk about your past hard work and then moving to the success today, what do you think was important in your journey? What mistakes you made so that others listening to you can avoid them?
I think so. Continuous practice was the first thing which everyone should do. I think I left my job because I was not able to give my 100% to the preparations. So whenever I left my job and after that when I started preparing, I think I got the score.
You got the scores.
Yeah.
Consistent efforts.
Consistent efforts, yeah.
Right. And did you feel that someone always by your side helped you?
Yes, sir. That really worked for me.
Right.
Because I blindly faith my teachers and you, and whatever tasks you guys gave me, if I'm not able to finish the tasks here in the class, I definitely try to finish at home.
Right. I remember a couple of times when you were leaving early, you said, "Sir, don't worry, I'll finish it at home."
Yeah, and I did that. And next day, teachers also checked, you did it? And I said, yes, please check.
I think this makes all the difference.
Yeah.
Someone is there to help you, someone is there to push you, but then the hard work you put in,
Yeah.
right? The strategies, especially for modules like reading, where everyone struggles, right? What do you have to say about them? Were they helpful?
Really helpful, sir. I think whenever you do the blanks and you are not knowing the meaning of any word, you have to immediately check the meaning on the Google or ask teachers and they will help you. And I think whatever the passage will come, I think you will remember the meanings back of your head and you will able to fill the correct answers there.
Correct. And I think that really improves your vocab
Yes, sir.
and understanding skills as well. But I just want to highlight again, guys, that she has done so much hard work. The key to success is definitely hard work with the right guidance, with the right support. So this is what she followed and smashed it. After attempting so many exams, she did not give up, right? And that's what you guys need to keep it in mind. Doesn't matter if you're losing now, you will succeed. Keep going. Get the right motivation, right guidance, and you will clear as well. Let's congratulate Ankita once again.
Thank you, sir.
All the best. Very close to your PR now. Congratulations and all the best for your PR journey.
Thank you so much, sir. But I would like to give all the credit to you and your staff. I think I wouldn't able to achieve my score if I was not come here for my preparations.
Thank you so much. You're very kind. Congratulations once again.
Thank you so much, sir.
Do not forget to watch these two tutorials. These two tutorials will really help you in your PT preparation.